What is taking place inside the Namboole Stadium? Why is it full of soldiers? Is it a barracks? Why people are not allowed to enter there? If those are your questions, your answer is solved. Watch this video till the end. You are most welcome to my channel. Today I have something truly special in store for you. I'm going to take you on a virtual journey to one of the Uganda's most iconic landmarks, the Mandela National Stadium, affectionately known as Namboole Stadium. This is Power and I can't wait to show you what makes this stadium so remarkable. But before we dive in, please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that notification bell such that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. I promise many interesting adventures to come. Alright, we are back and today I'm bringing you an update about Namboole Stadium. Many things that are going on in Namboole Stadium. They are upgrading this stadium to international levels, and today we are giving you the update of where they have reached about upgrading this stadium. Nestled on the outskirts of Kampala, Namboole Stadium stands as a symbol of sportsmanship and national pride, built in 1997. This state-of-art facility was renamed the Mandela National Stadium in honor of the great Nelson Mandela, a true champion of peace and unity. As we step inside, let's take a moment to appreciate the history and the significance of this grand stadium. Namboole Stadium was constructed to host the 2000 Africa Cup of Nations with a seating capacity of over 40,000. It is the largest stadium in Uganda and a hub for sports, concerts, and cultural events. Today, let's see how this stadium is being transformed to meet the needs of modern sports.
Alright, so we need more ambassadors for Uganda. So since you've decided to share Uganda to the world, you all, if you want to see more of Uganda, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that he will showcase what you don't know about Uganda.
This stadium has been there firm, but over the years, it began to show the signs of wear and tear, prompting the need for a significant renovation. Fast forward to 2022 and the Ugandan government decided to use the state army, the UPDF, to embark on the ambitious journey of renovation and revamp Namboole Stadium. And this is the main reason why you see many soldiers inside the Namboole Stadium. The army, which is there, the UPDF, are doing a great work of renovating this stadium, and others are giving security to the stadium and the workers. People are not allowed inside the Namboole Stadium because it's now a construction site. They might get injuries from there. It's not a barracks as they thought it turned into.
Stadium.
It is under what?
Under Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF.
So UPDF, it's under UPDF, and they are working on it. I'm saying they are constructing, they are renovating it. It's looking beautiful. Look at the colors, the billboard, the lighting, they painted the good colors, the turf. They're going to put there the carpet. Yeah?
Yes.
It's going to be very nice. I'm going to attend the first match to open this stadium again. So it's going to be very nice. It looks really nice. Let me show you the the turf. Let me show you where they're going to put the carpet. There, you see there? They're going to put the carpet right there. They are renovating this stadium, man.
I see how it is. That side we put lights. Even if they play at night, put lights.
Do you think, is that the billboard? That one?
Yes, that one.
Look at this.
So we are doing a renovation. That's we are doing a renovation. We have removed the carpet. So we are going to put another carpet.
That was the carpet, yeah?
Yes, yes. But this we have removed. It's rough. Now it was. You look at that place where it has been.
That in the middle.
Yes.
That's where you're going to put the carpet. Now what are those? Are they tops? See what? This one was a sample vera.
With various those are taps which you are going to spray when it's the morning. They spray it with water. These are taps.
They're going to put there the turf.
Yes. Now when we started with the, you know, these aggregates.
Aggregates.
Yeah, I understand. You are put nani sad soil. You again we're going to put small soil. Then we plant the grasses.
Grass, just grass.
Yes.
Not this tough. This one.
No, no, not for the carpet.
Why don't they put there the carpet in the middle? Because it is an international stadium.
So we have for physical exercise. For when they are playing here, we have another picture outside.
For training, yeah?
Yes. Did I take you there?
Maybe we shall go there. Are they going to put chairs? Are they going to put chairs? Yeah, they're going to put chairs. Were there chairs before?
It was last long time, so we had to remove them.
Okay, they removed the chair.
We're going to fix the new ones, which are very placed.
This is UPDF doing this work, man. It is really amazing. It is a nice work. The renovation project of this stadium aimed not only to restore the stadium to its former glory, but also to elevate it to world-class standards. And the renovation, for sure, it's going to be international. Look at the toilets, man. Actually, there are many toilets on this stadium and other exciting aspects. If you want to see the next part of this video, which is the most interesting one, subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the notification bell such that you get informed when I upload that part. I look forward to seeing the stars that will rise from this iconic stadium and the memorable moments that will be created here. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Power signing off. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in Uganda right here on this YouTube channel. Remember to like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.